In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a YouTube short video from your YouTube channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up YouTube app. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube account here and then tap right there at the bottom right corner where it says You. After that, tap at your videos, and what that will do, that will show you the list of your videos uploaded to your channel. At the top, we can easily find filters. We can filter it by videos, shorts and lives. To filter just short videos, tap at shorts. That's how we can easily find all the short videos on our channel. And then if you would like to delete some, all you have to do is just tap at these three dots next to it and then tap at delete. To confirm the deletion, tap at delete. And as you can see, now the video has just been deleted. In the same way, you can delete the other short videos from your channel. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.